Okay guys, we are all to the beach, so let's go. Such a nice day out. There's fish all in the water. I'm not gonna lie, I definitely need some lip gloss, y'all. I got some in my bag. Let's go.
Where you from?
America.
Yes. How long ago?
Come on.
Remember that one time when I
Say thank you. Come on.
say thank you? Thank you. Where are you from?
America. Yeah.
Mommy.
Say bye bye.
Remember that one time I was with my grandma? Time to get
Come on.
even though it's crowded. Can't wait to test out my goggles. The waves are amazing. Let's go, hurry up. It's the beach.
Love you away. And the sun is on the beach, you got messed up. Oh, that water sucks. Yuck. Wait. Coming. A big. It's the well for me. Look. Okay. Y'all watch me swim. I'm a swimmer, right? And blow me away. And guys, these mountains over here are so freaking pretty. So freaking pretty to see these mountains behind me. You gotta go to those mountains. Hold it. What is this thing called? Go. Man, my hair is wet too. Check it out. Oh, it's wet. Oh. What my hair look like, y'all? Is it wet? Do you see it? Look. Please. Okay. Let's go back. They see me. The kids looking for me. Let's get out the water. It's so pretty though. You're not gonna get money for that.
I got one! I gotta wash it off! I washed it off!
Okay. Bro. You wanna get in the water?
Bye!
Come on. All right. Oh! Okay.
Oh! Mommy, look!
All right, guys. The water is this
Mommy,
high.
look!
It's so nice out.
See, okay? Tell me.
Something just touched my foot. Adrian! Touch my foot. This is what I'm saying. Like, I don't know if I want to go any deeper. I would literally have a panic attack. You hear me? Just blow me back to shore as it should.
It's my death time. Wait, are you drowning?
Yes! Okay.
Grab on. It's down.
Okay.
Hey, I can your butt. Bro, pretty much everyone here saw your butt.
What?
Where are you going? Oi, oi, oi. I said go to shore. Oi, 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 Barry, come on, don't save me. Shoot her. Shoot her. I'm gonna drown you.
We could wait in the shade. Right here. Come on.